Welcome back to my channel. So today I did a little what I ate in a day video. I actually filmed this a few days ago and it's a honest, completely realistic what I ate in a day. There's nothing crazy. I haven't done anything special just because I'm filming. It's literally how I eat. While I'm just maintaining my calories, I'm not counting, and I am in lockdown. So currently I'm back at home with my parents, so my mom does end up cooking dinner and stuff because I don't usually live at home. And I do have a mixture of Indian food and English food throughout the day as well. Usually I always make all my lunches and snacks and breakfast and all that. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. It is a bit of a struggle filming what I eat in a day videos just because I am in a house full of people. Yeah. But if you like these kind of videos, let me know. Usually I eat like this all the time in terms of I don't restrict any food groups. I eat all my carbs and proteins and healthy fats. I'm trying to eat a little bit more protein lately, and just always keeping that adequate just because I am always trying to retain the muscle that I've built and just focusing on keeping muscle and maybe losing a little bit of fat. Now that I have done my bulk a few months ago and gained a little bit of mass, if you want to see more really realistic type of maybe more Indian type of meals, and then let me know as well. But anyway, yeah, please do like this video, please do subscribe, and as usual follow me on my Instagram. Hope you enjoyed this video.
So my first meal of the day is breakfast. I never skip breakfast and it's literally the same thing all the time. So oats. I used to have overnight oats a lot when I used to work in the office, but as I'm working from home now, I just make porridge in the morning. I usually just microwave mine because I'm too lazy to cook on the stove, and use any kind of plant-based milk as well. So usually it's almond or oat milk. I use my usual bulk powders, vegan protein, literally every single day of my oats. There's not a day where I don't have it. I'm not vegan, but I just use the non-dairy version because dairy usually makes me makes me break out, which is just, yeah, not great. So yeah, you just have to make sure you literally mix this in really vigorously. I'm also adding on some usually I add some seeds or omega-3s or anything like that really. Right, so this is my lunch or brunch. It's now 1:30 p.m. I wasn't that hungry, but my sister was making poached eggs, so I thought I would get in on it. That one kind of failed, but this is just on a wholemeal roll, and just put some pepper and chili flakes on top. And then we've got some mushrooms and tomatoes and a bit of goat's cheese. So yeah, that is gonna be my lunch. So this is my, I think, first snack of the day. It's literally just a banana and a clementine with 2 heaped teaspoons of this crunchy peanut butter. I think the only ingredients in here is literally only nuts. Yeah, 100% peanuts. So this is a really good one. I don't actually know where I got it from. But I mean, most supermarkets have 100% peanut butter. I'm probably going to make a little hot drink with a bit of turmeric. I'm just going to put a bit of pepper in it as well because you need pepper and turmeric together. I'm going to just put some hot water in and then just mix the other things in there. So there we have it. I don't really know how nice it tastes, but I'm so used to it now. You can put a little bit of ginger in it as well. It's just really good for strengthening your immune system. And I mean, turmeric has so many good properties. I'm sure you can like research and read up on it. But obviously it's quite common in an Asian household, in our curries and stuff. So yeah, this is my first snack of the day. Usually I would have had, this would be my second one, but I had a late breakfast, so I'm gonna do some work and munch on these.
If my songs go pop, 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 what makes you think I'm not okay with that? I took my backpack off, ready to change the game and run the track. Y'all thinking I'ma fall off? I'm Thomas the Engine. 2 seconds, you get your rocks off. That's why they said you're all soft. So I paint over the scene like I'm Bob Ross. I got weed songs, if you smoke good. I got peace songs, if you ain't so hood that you can't kick it, get it, have a party. Oh shit, homie, don't hurt nobody. Let your knees drop while the beat rock. Need my scheme seem something like P-Rock. You gotta hit the G-spot. Life's too short like an Ewok. Live it, let your nerves shake while the earthquake. Do the bird like it's purple rain. Now say something stupid about girls and drinks and slur your words and sip on Chardonnay. Now roll some up. What you waiting for? Roll some up. Eyes low if you roll like us. So when I say so, everybody jump, jump. Dream to a million, but we don't chase cream, so we feed it to the children. Paint new faces on the canvas as I write classic poems like Sanskrit. Epic, 3 letters, don't forget it. Pronounce soul, but I got soul in excess. The next best to the best, but the best ain't.
So my dinner today is really simple. Literally just a salmon fillet cooked in garlic and herbs in my air fryer, some steamed veg and garlic bread as well, which I don't always have, but it is a treat. And not forgetting my supplement, my vitamin D and calcium supplement, and that is it. So my last meal of the day is literally 2.5 Weetabixes. I think these might be the protein Weetabix, or they might just be normal. There's not much difference. With some Outpro oat milk. So yeah, that's like my last meal of the day. It's nearly 11 o'clock, so I'm a little bit hungry and I don't like going to sleep late. Don't like going to sleep hungry. So yeah.